Hello guys and welcome. How is your day going? We're making this beautiful plate of jollof rice and peppered meat. First we have our rice, Nigerian rice, and we have meat curry time. Look at the steaming, the hot steam, pepper, onions, seasoning cubes, salt to taste, already steaming in our pots. Now what we did was to parboil our rice. Because it's Nigerian rice, we had to parboil it, wash it, and it's clean. We're frying our meat, fry to get it dry. Now I like to cut my onions round. I don't know why, I just feel it makes the food delicious. What are your thoughts? How do you like to cut your onions? Tell me in the comments section. So these onions, I'm leaving it to fry very well to get that onions flavor in my jollof rice. Jollof rice needs a lot of onions. So I have pepper already steamed and grounded pepper and tomato mix. No sachet, no paste. So I'm frying it. I added the stock of the meat I was boiling earlier and some little water. And as it's boiling, I'm going to put in my already parboiled rice. This is a very simple recipe to follow. Let the water be on top of your rice, depending on how. I have meat already peppered. Now food is ready, as easy and quick as you can imagine. Please subscribe, share and like this video for more.